Hi, folks, and welcome to the Money Mental UK YouTube channel. I'm your host, Andrew. I'm a part time eBay and Depop reseller and now an investor. Yes, that's right, folks. I have started a new journey for the Money Mental Empire. I am no longer just a reseller, I am also a man who buys stocks and shares and invests the money he makes. So, how does that come about? Well, basically, I have too much stock for the business. People who are regular viewers of the channel will know I have huge hordes of death piles and such like. Um, my approach traditionally to running the business has always been to reinvest the money it makes back into the business, which the biggest investment you can make is obviously in stock. So gradually, my amount of stock has been increasing, and I have not had the time to list it at the rate that I'm buying it. And that's got to stop. It's finally reached the point where it's got to stop because all I'm going to do is buy more storage to store stuff that's never going to get listed. It's pointless. So I've been looking the last few weeks for new ways to spend the money that the business makes. So I want to invest that money. I want to become rich. Well, certainly richer than I am at the minute, anyway. Um, so I've decided I'm going to invest in stock, but not stock for the business. When I say stock, I'm talking about shares, investments, investment funds, all that kind of stuff, which seems to be a hugely complex area and thing to do, but potentially one that can make me some decent returns. Perhaps not the same level of returns as I make reselling, but I only have so much time to list stuff. I can't just keep buying stock, so I need something that's a bit more passive, or certainly something that doesn't take up as much room anyway, physically. Hence why I have decided to move into investing in stocks, shares, etc. So now on this YouTube channel, I'm not just going to talk about reselling, but I'm going to talk about making money on the stock market, hopefully. Or alternatively, you're going to watch me lose huge amounts of money. Who knows? But it's all pretty much risk free for me anyway, because I'm just going to use money that comes from the business that I would normally spend on stock, spend on these stocks either. I've still got huge piles of stock. The business isn't going to suffer. I've got a massive backlog I need to work through. It's actually going to improve things, I think, for the business because I will have less of a backlog. I won't need to get more storage. And eventually, hopefully, I can downsize the business to move it back home, which will actually save me money in the long term because I'll be getting rid of this enormous backpile of stock I've got. So, anyway, I thought I'd update you on what my future plans are, which is basically to buy stocks and shares. I'm following two different routes. I'm sort of investing money into sort of growth funds using I can't even remember what they're called now, robo investors or something. I've forgotten the name. I'll talk about those on a separate video. That's where I'm going to have a long-term strategy of investing money consistently each month and trying to gradually increase that money through some safer sort of investments. Um, the amount I invest, the amount I make on that should hopefully exceed anything that I would make through putting money into a savings account and hopefully push well past the inflation rate as well, even though it's like 5% or something crazy now. But hopefully in the long term, it should make me a decent return. That's a long term plan to give me money towards my retirement, basically. But I also like to be a bit riskier, do things a bit more fun. So I'm also doing, I think it's called value investing. I'm basically looking to buy stocks where I think the value is quite low at the minute, but has the potential to increase and make me a decent return. More of a high risk strategy. I'm just investing odd small bits of money here and there into that to try and grow some of it and see how we get on. And actually, doing that using an app that's free and commission free that I've written all about here on this article on the Money Mental website here. It's called Free Trade. Just basically, it's free to use, although there is a paid option which gives you access to a greater portfolio of shares you can invest in. Not something I've gone down at the minute. I'm looking at FTSE 250 shares at the moment. But yeah, I'm using an app called Free Trade to buy shares. And the best thing is, that you can use it. If you follow the steps that are in this article that I've written here, so down here, I will drop a link to this article below, and you click on the link that I've included in the article. Follow all these steps that I've put down here. You can use it, and you can get a free trade, free share, sorry, that could be worth between £3 and £200. And all you've got to do is spend £1, which you can withdraw as well at some point. So you don't actually have to cost you anything. So if you want to get a free share, it's worth between £3 and £200. So basically, triple that £1 investment. You know you can withdraw it. Or if you want to start buying shares yourself, give my article here a read. Click on the link, sign up, get your free share, and start earning potentially some money. But at least get a good return on investment on that initial pound anyway. And who knows, you might get a £200 share. Probably only get one that's worth about a tenner, but we shall see. Anyway, folks, that's it for now. Just wanted to start talking about that. I'll be doing a lot more content, hopefully about investing, and hopefully showing me making some money. Maybe I'll lose some money as well. Maybe we'll see me losing money. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll do a few more videos about this. There'll be some more stuff on the Money Mental website. As I say, the link is in the description below to the article I've written today. Give it a read, have a look, sign up for free trade, get yourself a free share, get me a free share as well because it's affiliate, so we both get free shares. Let's become rich. Thanks now for watching, folks. And if I can remember how to end this, I will see you on the next video. I can't remember how to end this. This has got to be it. This has got to be it. Bye for now.